yoga dragons. Dragon flying high. So this just takes the basic dragon pose, the baby dragon, a stage further. For me, it's less yin-like than baby dragon. Dragon flying high, because you can see you're using your back extensor muscles to hold the spine upright. That's a little bit more yang-like for me. And as with most of the dragons, you're opening up you're increasing the mobility of the hips, you're opening up the hips. You're working on opening up the hip flexors with the leg that's back, and your hamstrings, the upper part of the hamstrings and hips with the leg that's forward. So now we consider using props. For high flying or dragon flying high, you can have the hands either on the thigh or you can have them resting on the blocks. Now, the height of the blocks will depend on your flexibility, the length of your shin, arms, and your torso. But for the dragon flying high, we want the spine as upright as possible. The left foot is, obviously you do both sides, the left foot is in Tadasana, the shin perpendicular to the floor. And that's dragon flying high. We'll show you how to get into it. It's the same as the other dragons. From a basic quadruped or 4-point kneeling, tabletop, whatever you know as position, take a leg forward as you slide the other leg back. Keep the spine upright, so that's a baby dragon. Then keep the spine as upright as you can, either resting on blocks or resting both hands on the thigh. Just show them the hands on the thigh one again, but you're relaxing the arms as much as you can. So if you want to go to blocks 10, you go to the blocks. The spine is tall and you're sinking the pelvis down. As tissues give, you may want to slide the back leg further back. You may want to consider a support underneath the back leg, underneath the knee, some sort of cushion. Keeping the shin of the left leg perpendicular. And that's dragon flying high, where the torso is lifted and you're using the back muscles, and particularly the back extensor muscles, to stay upright. Again, far more yang-like than baby dragon. That's dragon flying high.